My name is María Fernanda Mancera. I was born and raised in Colombia, and I'm one of the co-curators of this show.
My name is Gabriel Sosa, and I was born and raised in Miami, Florida, and I am also one of the co-curators of the show.
It was really nice to have the joint opportunity of bringing artists together, and it's a space to highlight New England-based artists and teachers and people working in the arts, and how it's important to see how those networks are extending.
One of the things that unites us is thinking about language and translation and its strengths, its weaknesses, and I feel like for both of us, a lot of the ideas in this show were swirling around in our minds for a long time.
The gallery is an amazing space, and the programming has always been wonderful, so it was a really good opportunity to reach new audiences, thinking about the place in which Providence College is located, the neighborhood, and how they can come here and also access this space. That was important to us, thinking of the gallery as a bridge between the college and the neighborhood and the surrounding community.
I'm excited to see how people react to it and how students can engage with it and how faculty can leverage the show as a teaching tool.